Welcome to Porcino Adventure. My name is David Kong. I'm in somewhere, Kentucky called Louisville, South Side. I can tell you this place because it's very secret. Actually, it's my friend's farms over here, and it's unbelievable. We were staying here. We are planning to move in. It depends. I can sign the contract with the owner first. So. I know, the owner is over on my left side. He's looking and smiling at me. Anyway, that's a good sign. So, Louisville, never been up here before. So, it was incredible. Found out that Muhammad Ali was born here and have a museum in here. Bourbon was created in here. Of course, the Kentucky Turf, the horse race was here. We went to the horse race and we have good times, and we decided to donate some money. We thought we could win some money, but end up with donation. So anyway, today I'm gonna make something very simple. It's pesca con fresco pomodoro y basilico, which translate, I have no idea what I'm talking about. No, I'm just kidding. It's basic. I'm using our fish. Wallace is the fish, and when I discovered it's about in 24 on my traveling, and I met this guy's name's Paul Allen. Believe me, he's a Paul Allen, so he's a farmer's man, and he went fishing out there with his sons, and next thing they caught a lot of fish, and I tried it. It was incredible, and it almost tastes like halibuts. So that's the fish. So what the ingredient here we have is fresh lemon, fresh tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, white wine, basil, garlic, butter, salt and pepper. These are the ingredients you're going to be cooking to it. All right, first thing we're going to do is, of course, light up the burners. All right, heat it up real good. Extra virgin olive oil. Fresh garlic. So anyway, I didn't tell you that the translate in Italian means basic. The fresh fish with Wallace with fresh tomato and basil sauce onto it. All right, let it. Remember what I told all my video. Always brown your garlic. So let it cook. While it's cooking, I put my fish here because these are small and thin, so it cooks faster. Okay? You hear the sound? That means happiness. It's seasoning. Okay? So when you have a bigger fish, I want you to put some oil, cook the fish first. Since these are cooking faster, so I make the sauce together in one shot. Okay? I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. All right, let it cooks. While you're doing that, I put some salt and pepper on my fish. See the garlic cooking perfectly. Okay, all the happiness garlic, release the flavor. Say, hello, my name is garlic. If I cook it right, I release all the flavor that you never tasted before instead of raw garlic. You continue. Haven't cooked yet, okay? Don't go crazy. Oh, you smell the garlic? It smells the natural wild camping perfume. Oh, we call the name of the man. Oh, cologne. Yes. I forgot. I never used cologne since I've been wild camping. All right, now you see the garlic? Now, the tricks, the fish, so don't flip keep on it. You see on the side here, it's turning white on the side. That means it's time to turn me around, baby. So what I do, turn it perfectly. And now, I'm gonna put some fresh tomatoes. Yeah. See that? Little white wine. Yeah, salud. Wow. What wine is that? I forgot to put it. Okay, now you put a little bit salt and pepper on the sauce. Okay, squeeze some happy lemon juice. Bam! Ooh, missed a shot. Haha. Sorry, audience. All right, now you see how to release it. You saw the flavor coming up. It's a very easy to cook, and this one you can do with all kind of fish too. Okay, so in the restaurant we do it on lingcod, and then black cod, halibut juice, and sometimes in the trout too. So with this time you see the fish is still firm over here. The other way to check how you cook the fish, get a spoon, just lightly poke it. And you see, it won't go through. I mean, it's still raw. And remember, cook the fish medium rare. Don't cook the heck out of it, okay? Alright. Just basic, I would say about 2 minutes. After you see us everything, the whole process, probably less than 5 minutes. Depends how big the fish you have in there. Okay? Now you put the happy basil, Italian called basilico, and some of the English they call basil. So whatever you want to call it, go for your name. Now what I do, I taste it. Okay, always taste your food. Just a little bit more salt. Bang. A little more pepper. Okay, by this time, the fish is cooked. So, take it out. Flip it, the fish, because you want to let it see the white part. Okay, then you put a little bit of butter into the sauce. Butter is the finished touch of a cooking. So basic, you want to just melt it out. So in a restaurant, we call layer of flavor. We're laying layer of flavor into it. Look at the sauce, okay? Now you put it right there. Restaurant. Wallace with fresh tomato and basil. Now we're gonna taste it. This is spot. What should I show you? Oh, yes, forks. I don't know. I was thinking about soup. Anyway, here you go. On this. Right on the spot, baby. Please try this one. Oh my God, so good. Simple dish. Anybody can do it. So here we come, and thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it, press the button harder. Okay, can everybody press the button? Ciao.